Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the bar replay indicator. Alright, so first of all we need to add the indicator to our chart, but mind you, the indicator is currently for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. It's priced at $50 US. It's also available for rent for 1 month $30 US, for 3 months $40 US currently. Alright, now the free demo is also available, so we are going to test the free demo in this video. All right, we want to know how the indicator actually works, and the MQL5 marketplace gives us that privilege to test, indicators. All right, using our strategy tester. Okay, so now we're just going to drag and drop. We're going to click on test. Okay, and yeah, I'm just going to click on start. So we're going to see how the bar replay indicator works. Okay, all right, so here we go. Now this tool, it allows us to replay bars in MT4 for backtest. All right, the tool can backtest in multi-time frame in only one chart. Okay, so it is useful for price action traders, and it has some main features, right? So now we can see that the indicator has a dashboard here, right? Has a tool here enabling us to backtest. Okay, so I'm wondering why this is not moving. Okay, because from the description that we have here, we can see that this EA, okay, it's an EA, and it assists us in backtesting. All right, so the main features include candlestick forward and backward to backtest the market, simulate order entry, measure RR, SLTP, support manual replay and auto replay, supports multiple time frames at the same time, display session. Yeah, I actually saw the session. Okay, so that seems to be the only one working. Right, so I don't know, maybe it's because it's not the maybe it's because it's the free version. I guess I don't know for sure. All right, because we can see that the indicator actually ought to, you can see when you click on the sell, when you click on the buy, it ought to bring out this, right? But I tried that out, and as we can see, I didn't get any display. Okay, so I don't know if because it's the free version, the demo version. All right, so we're just going to go through the features. Okay, if you still want to know more about this indicator, feel free to head over to the MQL5 marketplace and just look through everything. And if the indicator is something that you are interested in, make sure that you are very comfortable with it first before proceeding to make any financial commitment. All right, so we can see it has the display session. You can change your order lot size or risk money for order. Then you click at the order label, buy to display order lines, and menu for edit order parameters. You click at order label to hide order lines menu, right? All of that. It also has some key shortcuts. All right, so that is it, guys. If you want to learn more, just head over to this website to learn more. Okay, meanwhile, on the Forex Geek website, we have a lot of free indicators, just in case if you are looking for free indicators. Okay, and we have also covered a good number of videos on free indicators as well, so you might also want to check that out if you are not interested in indicators that are for sale. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.